I'm going to show you exactly how to make a shirt mockup in Canva using free tools that you can customize for your brand or print on demand store. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to upload your own design, apply it to a shirt mockup, and export it for presentation or marketing use. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's get started. First, log into your Canva account. On the left-hand panel, click Create a Design and choose any canvas size you prefer. Once you have your blank canvas, go to Apps on the left menu. In the search bar, type in Mockups and select the app that appears. Inside the Mockups section, scroll down until you find the shirt mockups. Canva offers a variety of shirt styles, from plain white tees to lifestyle mockups featuring models. For this tutorial, I'll choose a plain shirt mockup with a transparent background so we can freely resize and adjust it. Next, go to the Uploads tab on the left-hand panel and upload the logo or shirt design you want to showcase. Once uploaded, drag it onto the shirt and Canva will automatically fit it into place. You can adjust the size, position, and transparency if needed to make it look more natural and realistic. Once your shirt mockup looks perfect, click on Share at the top right corner and choose Download. If you plan to post it online, select PNG for the best image quality. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! You've just created your very own shirt mockup in Canva. It's quick, customizable, and perfect for showcasing your designs to clients or customers. If you want to learn even more Canva tricks, check out our step-by-step tutorial on how to make mockups in Canva, where we dive deeper into mockup creation from the design itself up to placing and styling your very own mockup. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.